Module 2 is entitled Research Methods in I/O Psychology. I/O psychology research employs both quantitative and qualitative methods, including experimental and non-experimental designs, to study human behavior in organizational settings and improve workplace dynamics. In quantitative methods, we cover a lot of experimental designs and non-experimental designs in research, including statistical analysis. In qualitative methods, we include interviews and focus groups, observations, and also ethnography. And in mixed methods research, we combine approaches. Mixed methods research integrates both qualitative and quantitative approaches to provide a more comprehensive understanding of complex organizational phenomena. Now, specific applications of research methods to I/O psychology are as follows, like job analysis, employee selection, training and development, performance management, organizational change, and workplace attitudes and behaviors. Upon completion of this lesson, the student should be able to first recognize the scientific method and its goals and assumptions. Describe the importance of theory to science and psychology, and explain a variety of measurement issues and basic statistical concepts in regards to research methods in organizational psychology.